Good morning, everyone. So this is irrationally that the question I've posted last night, which is all about the right of way rule in the highway or the roadway when it comes to traveling of two or more motor vehicles that might somehow enter an intersection at almost the same time. So I just like to remind all you class or guys that before giving your answers, just analyze first the question. So let us go to our question so that we would know really what is the answer. Some of you give the exact answer, but as to the explanation is somewhat like sticking on the rule of who should be given away, not on who should give away. Di ba? So let us define later on what is the difference between who shall yield away or who should be given away. Di ba? So kinsa man ang ato ang hatagag dalan or kung kinsa ang mohatag og dalan. So somewhat like someone or most of you is confused with that type of question, we will clarify later on. Okay. So this was the question that I've posted last night. This question really pertains to when two vehicles approach or enter an intersection at the same time. The question is, who shall yield the right of way as a general rule? So be reminded that before giving your answer, just analyze the question first rather than giving your answer right away. Because you might have the correct answer in your mind, but in the other way, it really matters with how the question being crafted. Because sometimes, if we will look into the question, seems like the answers is already at hand. We already have the answers in our mind, but we unable to anticipate and even analyze well what the questions is all about. So the choices are first, A, the driver on the left, Bravo, the driver on the right, and Charlie is the faster vehicle, and the Delta is the slower vehicle. Based on the rule given under the section 32 of the article 3 of the Republic Act number 4136 is that eliminated na yung Charlie at saka Delta. Kung makikita nyo, wala naman yan sa rule yung the faster vehicle and the slower vehicle. So 50-50 tayo, eliminated na yung Charlie at saka Delta. So ibig sabihin, we will focus now on Alpha at saka Bravo. The driver on the left or the driver on the right. So now you are going to go back to the rule given under the section 42 of the article 3 of the RA 4136 kung sino ba yung magbigay ng daan or sino yung bibigyan ng daan. So be reminded that yung tanong is sino ang magbigay ng daan. 'Di ba? Sino yung magbigay? Hindi yung tanong na who will be given? Sino yung bibigyan ng right of way, 'di ba? So now the answer for this is alpha. Okay? The answer is the driver on the left. Meaning to say the driver on the left as a general rule when two motor vehicles or vehicles approach or enter an intersection at almost the same time or at the same time, the driver on the left should give away or should yield away to the vehicle or to the driver on the right side. So what is then our legal basis? Now let's proceed to the next slide. The answer is yes, Alpha, the driver on the left. Oh, that is our answer. So our legal basis is answer. According to section 42 of the Land Transportation and Traffic Code, RA 4136, same time rule ang ina-apply dito as to the right of way. Now let us proceed to the rationale. Okay. Based on Article 3, the right of way and signals, section 42, the right of way. So paragraph A, this is stated under the paragraph A that according to the paragraph A, when two vehicles approach or enter an intersection at approximately the same time, the driver of the vehicle on the left shall yield the right of way to the vehicle on the right. So meaning to say, ibig sabihin pala ng yield is ang magbigay ng right of way. Okay? Hindi yung bibigyan ng right of way. Magkaiba yun eh. Kasi most of you give answers last night that you have a good explanation, but your answer is in contradict with what you have explained, because most of you answered bravo, and your explanation is an explanation about the answer of alpha, di ba? So be reminded that magkaiba pala yung who shall yield away or who shall be given away. Okay, let's go back to the question. We will analyze it more so that you would know and be clarified why the answer is alpha. Yeah. So this is the question that posted last night. When two vehicles approach or enter an intersection at the same time, the question is, who shall yield the right of way as a general rule? Sabi dito, who shall yield? Ibig nang sabihin ng yield ay sino yung magbigay? Who shall give the right of way? Di ba? So, iba yung who shall yield or who shall be given. Kapag sinabing who shall yield, sino yung magbigay? Di ba? Pag sinabing who shall be given, sino yung bibigyan? So pag ang tanong is who shall be given a right of way, syempre yung answer mo is bravo. The driver on the right. Because the driver on the right or the vehicle on the right should always be given away by a driver on the left or by a vehicle on the left. Pero yung tanong is, who shall yield the right of way? Sino yung bibigyan ng daan? O sino yung may karapatang bibigyan ng daan when entering in the intersection at almost the same time? So, it should be the driver on the left ang magbigay ng daan for the vehicle on the right. So that is a general rule stated based on the Article 3 of Section 42 of the RA 4136. So this is all for now, class. Hopefully that you will be able to understand and somehow clarified. And for those who give the right answer, kudos to you. You really did your study. And for those who gave an answer of bravo, but their explanation is on alpha, you have really the right thing in your mind, but your explanation is in contradict with your answer. Diba? You have the right answer as to the explanation, but the choice that you have chosen is incorrect. So better luck next time, and hopefully that you will be able to do the understanding and more rationally or comprehension before giving your answer. So good luck to your exam, guys. God bless you all.